Hi everybody, welcome to Tips from Stella, and this is your full workout to help heal diastasis recti or close the gap in your midsection after pregnancy. Just continue marching in sport with me so that we warm up our bodies, and make sure you have been cleared by your doctor for exercise after pregnancy. So continue marching. I've actually made another video about diastasis recti and a full workout. Feel free to check it out here. I made it about a year ago when I had just given birth to my baby. So march. Take it easy. Listen to your body, warming up our bodies and increasing our heart rates. And next we are going to move on to some squats. So pull tummy towards the spine, begin squatting and up, just that basic squat. Take it easy, listen to your body. Squat and up. This is also our warm-up, but it is a very good workout for those abs. Make sure you're pulling in your tummy towards the spine. Just give me one more, and we are going to move down the mat. So down on the mat, we are going to begin with abdominal compressions or abdominal binding. You will need a cloth like this, a towel or a shawl, and wrap it around your body. So make sure you keep breathing normally while we are at it. We are going to do about 10 of these. So while breathing in and out normally, compress your abdomen, and one more time, and pull for 1, 2, 3 and release. Then pull in your abdominal muscles, and the second time, and hold for 1, 2, 3 and release. Pull in, keep breathing, hold for 1, 2, 3 and release. Pull in, squeeze with the cloth and release. Release. And release. Release. Squeeze, pull in, compress, count for 1, 2, 3 and release. Squeeze, 1, 2, 3 and release. Squeeze, 1, 2, 3 and release. Let's do 2 more. Squeeze, 1, 2, 3 and release. Just one more. Squeeze, 1, 2, 3, binding your muscles together, holding and release. So you want to place your cloth down, and you want to get down onto your back slowly. Alright, remember, we get down onto our side, and we are going to move on to the pelvic tilt. So what you want to do is to bring the soles of your feet on the ground, and to do the pelvic tilt, you will tilt in your pelvis towards your navel, just as if you're pulling in your muscles towards the spine, and then release. So tilt, hold for about 1, 2, 3 and release. Tilt, hold for 1, 2, 3 and release. Tilt, making sure that your butt muscles are not squeezed, and release. If you have trouble keeping your butt muscles free, then separate your legs apart, and you want to tilt, tilting in your muscles neck towards the spine and release. Tilt, hold it right there, making sure you have a flat back, and release. You want to do about 10 of these. Tilt and release. You can do them anywhere, anytime. Tilt and release. It may feel like you're doing nothing. Tilt, but your muscles are actually getting tilted and getting back together. This is one of the best exercises you can do to bring back your muscles together. Tilt and release. So let's just do 2 more. Tilt, hold for 1, 2, 3 and release. You can do as many as you want or can, tilt and release. So you want to bring down your legs. We are going to move into single leg lift. So just raise the other leg and then tilt, have that pelvic tilt on, and you're going to raise up your leg and bringing it down while working your muscles, bringing it down with your muscles. Raise slowly, not just dropping it and raising, then drop it with your abdominal muscles, making sure you're maintaining that pelvic tilt, and down, raise and down. We want to do about 8 per leg. You can do as many as you can, and bring them down and raise and bring down the leg slowly, pointing your foot outwards. Raise and down. Let's just do one more. Raise, hold and bring it down. So you want to move on to the other leg. Just bring it onto the floor and point your foot outwards and raise and bring it down, having that pelvic tilt on. Raise and down, raise and down, raise and bring it down while using your abdominal muscles. Raise and down. Let's do 2 more raises. You can do as many as you can, don't forget. And bring it down and raise and bring it down. In our next exercise, we shall need our cloth. We shall still do some binding and we shall be doing toe taps. So what you want to do is to wrap the cloth around your belly and you bring your feet on table surface. Bring on that pelvic tilt once again, and as you bring down your toes to tap the ground, squeeze and bring those muscles together. So beginning straight away, bring down, squeeze the cloth and up, and the other leg, pull and back, pull and back, tap and back. Keep breathing normally. Tap, you don't want to hold your breath, and back, tap and back. You want to do about 8 to 10 per leg, and back, tap and back, tap and back, tap, squeeze and release, tap and back, tap and back. Bring down to tap and bind muscles and release, tap and release. Let's do 1 more per leg. Bring down, squeeze, pull onto your abs and back. Make sure you have a flat back and that you're trying to maintain that pelvic tilt, and back and bring down your legs. And we don't need the cloth anymore. You can remove it. We are going to move on to leg extensions. What you want to do is to have a flat back and bring your legs to table surface. Still have on that pelvic tilt so that we are always having our abdominal muscles towards the spine. If you need support, you can hold on to your mat. Otherwise, you're going to begin extending and back. Extend using your abs and back, making sure that you have that pelvic tilt in back and that your back is flat on the ground. You don't want it to be coming in. Extend and back, extend and back. Still you want to do 8 to 10 per leg or as more as you can, and back extend, hold, and back. Extend and back. Extend and back. So let's do 2 more per leg. Remember, you can do as many as you can, but I know your bodies are still regaining back from giving back. Let's do 1 more. So just listen to your body, take it easy, and just do what you can. 1 more, and bring down your legs. Next, we want to move gently onto our sides. We are going to move onto the side plank. Just get onto your side. If you are strong enough, you can do this on your legs. Otherwise, just get onto your knees. I know many of us don't have the strength to go back to our legs. Get onto your knees, and you want to pull your abdominal muscles towards the spine, then raise off the ground, and you want to hold it right there, feeling those muscles getting in there and tightening up. We want to hold it for about 15 seconds or even more or less, just what you can. Let's continue holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and come down slowly. You want to get up and stretch out that side, and moving on to the other side, just get down gently on your knees and raise off the ground. We are going to hold it right there excuse me, for about 15 seconds or even more if you can. You can do even less if that's what you can take, but it is a good move or workout to help bring back your muscles together. And we are going to hold it right there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and come up and stretch it out on that side. So next, we want to go back down on our backs again. Go down gently on your sides. We are going to move into bridges. We shall do just about 5 of these. Just bring your hands on the ground, toes and feet on the ground, and having a pelvic tilt on. We shall begin raising our torso off the ground, holding it for 1, 2, 3, and back. Tilt your pelvis and lift off the ground, and down slowly. Tilt that pelvis and raise off the ground. Hold it for 1, 2, 3, and come back down and tilt. You can do as many of these as you can, but we shall be doing about 5 of these and go down. So let's just do 1 more. Tilt and raise off the ground, and we are going to hold this for a little bit longer. So just keep breathing normally, and we shall hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you want to come back down. You want to move on to knee hugs. Just bring both knees towards your chest and hug them, moving side to side, feeling that gentle stretch in your entire lower back. And we are going to hold it right there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and bring the legs back down. You want to move gently up. We are going to move into the child's pose. Just get onto your knees, stretch out your hands forward, and bring your forehead onto the mat, and feel that gentle stretch in your back and in your hands. Keep breathing in and out, taking in deep breath and out, and we are going to hold this for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you want to come up slowly. You want to sit up on the mat, and we want to stretch out to the side and back, and the other side, stretch out. and back. Let's do one more per side. Stretch out gently and back, and the other side one more time. Hold it and back, and you want to breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. One more time. Breathe in and breathe out. Coming to the end of our workout. If you do these exercises regularly, you will have your abdominal muscles get back into shape after pregnancy. Well, that is just about it for today. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up or even a comment if you have any questions or something to say. Don't forget to connect up with me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest, because I do share lots of wellness and useful tips over there too. Don't forget to subscribe for more and hit that bell button for notifications of my future videos. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in the next video, and don't forget to love yourself first. Bye bye.